Hello, I'm Simon Briggs, the CEO of Geodime Limited. We're a geospatial company using cutting-edge technology, principally for the survey of mines and quarries. We work with drones on a daily basis for everything from 3D modelling to thermal inspection. But we also feel that they have great potential for improving health and safety through the creation of induction videos. The videos we can create enhance the traditional induction briefing. They're highly tailored to the hazards of each site and are very visual tools that clearly orient any new visitor, regardless of their role, background, or even language.
There is large mobile plant operating in this area. Maintain a 20-meter standoff. Don't forget 20 miles per hour speed limit.
Będzie operować tam pokaźna koparka. Utrzymuj 20-metrowy dystans. Nie zapominaj o limicie prędkości. To 20 mil na godzinę. W tym momencie nadjedziesz w kierunku głównego obszaru zasobów.
We can add in any graphics, narration, text, or music to create a video that the site can be proud of. We can capture stunning footage from multiple drones and multiple camera angles to tell the story of how the site works safely. An induction video posted online can then be a useful tool for the driver coming to site for the first time, or the contractor wanting to understand how the unique nature of a site will affect his risk assessments and safe working practices. The videos also give managers, however, the chance to look at their site from a new angle and critically review everything from general housekeeping to vehicle routing. Thank you for listening to our suggestions.